will. She has.
Oh, come on, come on. Oh, that was a nice bite. Look.
You wanna? Oh, a nice fish too. Holy crap!
And I put the Bassmaster on him. I was looking to see where she was hooked, and then I was.
She followed that a little ways too, didn't she?
Yeah.
Nice.
It's a good one. Caught that on the old popper. KVD splash. And she rolled on it 2 times. Like,
yeah, no. She hit it, missed it, hit it again.
I don't think she hit it. She just kind of rolled up on it. Like,
Pursued it.
Yeah.
Yep. That was cool.
It seems like when you get one, sometimes they'll be vicious. Like mine was a vicious bite. Yours was a good bite. I mean, mine destroyed it. Right. I feel like when you find the one that wants to play. Oh, that was you. I was like, see? We found one that wants to play.
Need a net?
I got it. This fish. Wear out. Come back here. Come back here. That's a good one. 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 Get one that wants to play. That's all we need.
A nice live well fish. Very good. That barely hit the water.
Yeah. Bada bing.
Picture fish.
Bada bing. Bada boom.
Yeah, people got out fishing tonight.
Huh?
People got out fishing tonight.
What's new? Ooh.
You got him?
Yeah. There was 2. Oh, he came up. Oh, no, there he is.
Where's the net?
Down there.
Smoke or?
No, bass. Told you they were blown up on this edge.
You were kidding, Bretta.
Get in the boat!
Good job, man. That was in the popper, right?
Yes, sir. I'll show you how to catch them up on a popper. Maybe if you use a good popper, get you some of this, son. There's one blew up. See right up there? One blew. Oh, one behind me. Come on, get it. Told you it was behind me.
Bass or snake?
Bass.
Yeah, you're on fire, son.
do that. Oh, that's good, dude. Same as the other one. I mean, can I cast up here?
Got him.
Hog in the field.
Got him. Another one. There's another one. 2 on the KVD popper. Boom.